Hi everyone, trying to run the SFC scannow command and you get this error. There is a system repair pending. You usually get this error because there is a update and restart pending to your Windows. So simply close the CMD window, right click over the start menu Windows icon and opt to update and restart. After restart, when you run the SFC scannow command, you won't get the error further. However, if the update and restart option is missing on your PC, proceed ahead with the next step shown. Simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command, or you can copy and paste it from the video description as well, and hit enter to execute it and wait for the process to finish. Once the process finishes, simply restart your computer and then try running the SFC scannow command and you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.